Right, Silver Punks, today I'm going to show you how to make this little bad boy. This little baby Yoda, no, sorry, Grogu. I've been told that it should be called Grogu, not baby Yoda. There he is, in a little square. So let's crack on and I'll show you how we make this little bad boy. Oh yeah. Here we go then, guys and girls. Silver Punk prototype pour number 61. As you can see, here's the impression I've made. Little baby Yoda. Judged on the 3D print, and it was quite deep at the back, so I don't know if you're getting that, but I had to build up with some sand because I just couldn't get the impression. This has been quite a difficult one to do. I mean, that bit there and that bit there and inside his ears were pushed pretty deep. The actual print come out pretty deep, so I had to have a mess about with the impression. I've had to do it 3 or 4 times to get anything we can pour on top. So as you can see inside, you'll see it's roughed up a little bit where I've done it, because that's where I've put the sand inside there to rough it up, so you've got some definition. So hopefully it should come out. A bit of an experimental one this, not exactly sure what's going to happen. Nice little chunk. I mean, as you can see, it's quite a thick mould he's done. So we'll have a go. I might not pour it all the way to the top, but we'll see what happens. I've got, I think it's about 150-200 grams in, so I've got more than enough heating up. So as soon as the furniture's up to temperature, I'll come back to you guys and do the pour. I think we're up to about 850 at the moment, so as soon as we hit the temperature, I'll come back and do the pour, and fingers crossed we'll get something useful out of it. Right then guys, here we go. The furnace is now up to temperature of 1080, so it's banged on where I like it. You've got the little baby Yoda square in there with the impression from Star Wars. So like I said, yeah, it wasn't the easiest of impressions to do, like you've seen earlier on, but I'm going to give it a go. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it will come out. I've got the wind playing havoc with my shed door, so bear with me on this one. It might be a bit of an adventure. So here we go then. Silver Punk pour number 61. Baby Yoda in a square. Here we go. Prototype pour. Let's have it. There you go, guys. Oh, look at that. Pleased with that. I controlled that nicely. I was happy with that pour. Had a bit more controlled, went a bit slower. Oh, look at them colours. You getting that? Look at the colours on that. Oh, it felt like it went in nice, that one did. Wish they all could go like that. For some reason, I just had it. I had the weight. Perhaps the weight of the crucible was just right, balanced nice for me. Cooling nice, there we go. Oh yeah. Look at the colours, look at the nice red tinge around the outside. I'm not sure whether you're getting that, but oh, it's so cool. Right, let's get it flipped over then. We'll have some little bit of bubbling. Let's get him flipped over and see how it come out. Experimental. Baby Yoda. I can't see. There's something in there. Force is strong with this one. There he is. Yeah, I can make him out. Right. We're smoking. Right, let's get it over to the quench and we'll have a better look and we'll see exactly if we've got enough of an impression. So let's get you over to the quench. Right then guys, let's get this Yoda in and we'll have a look, see what we've got. Very hard to tell. I don't know what kind of definition we've got, but here we go. There he is. Look, I'm not entirely sure how this is going to go. Right. Oh, what a shame. Oh, I don't know. It's really hard to make out. I think this one, it needs the toning. I can see it. We've got a little bit of in there. His head and that, because that's more raised than the background. I think it's a difficult one to see in the raw state. If you've seen that a little bit, if you remember, a few ago we done some Sex Pistol bars and one of those was quite difficult to make out until we toned. So we'll get back in. I'll do some toning. I mean, lovely back on it. I mean, it's a lovely feel, nice chunk to it. We'll get inside, give it away and a clean up, and I'll tone him and we'll see how we've got on. Right punks, back inside now after the pour. As you can see, here's a little baby Yoda. Hasn't gone 100% to plan, I don't think. I think the border around outside him, that's okay there. But here and here we're losing a bit of definition. It wasn't quite deep enough. I'd filled it in too much sand went inside. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. We're going to tone him up and then we'll have a look at him. The this hangs in the balance. This will really depend on the toning, how good this comes out, because the impression we've got of the Baby Yoda is only very slight, so there's not a lot of contrast. So this is a difficult one to see how this is going to come out until it's toned, until it's coloured, because this was, from memory, I think Judge made this from a vector graphic, just from a flat image, black and white vector, almost like a silhouette affair. So bit apprehensive, not sure how this will go, so I'll get it toned up and I'll show you the results. Just show you the back, lovely back on it though. If we could just look at the back, that I'd be happy with just the back, but there he is. I'll go and get him toned up and we'll see what the result looks like. Right guys, here we go, back after the toning. As you can see, here's little Baby Yoda. I've antiqued the little silhouette of the Yoda and then all the rest's the blue iridescent, and to be fair, it hasn't come out too badly. It could have been done with a bit better impression. I think I've filled in too much in the background, but it's not a total disaster. We are missing a bit of detail, a bit of, I don't know what you'd call it, a bit of sharpness, because I've come too close where I've impacted when I filled in the back, so probably worth revisiting. So there he is, Baby Yoda, lovely colours on it, a nice thick paw. As you can see the back there, some nice toning on the back, some nice colours. So yeah, overall enjoyed that one. That was paw number 61, Silverpunk Experimental Prototype paw. So I look forward to seeing you guys next time. We got some cool stuff in the pipeline, so tune in guys, and I'll see you soon.